It's time for me to put my money where my mouth is. We're going drag racing. Hell yeah, we're going drag racing. Let me get this helmet off so I can talk properly. So for the next number of Fridays, we are going to plan, if I can't make it, somebody will be there. We're going to try to have a group of us go down every Friday to Cayuga, which is Toronto Motorsports Park. It's not quite Cayuga, it's a little bit past Cayuga. But it's $10 to get in and watch. It's $30 to test and tune, which is what they call it. And it's just basically a free-for-all night. Please note, if you are bringing a pretty quick car, like the one you see me sitting in right now, you do need a helmet. Anything faster than 14 seconds. It does have to be Snell approved, which I fortunately do have my shoey. I did take the visor off for wind and potentially even breathing while I do this. It's going to be a good time. If you want to come spectate and just hang out, it's $10 like I mentioned. We're going to be there. I'm going to try to be there about 6, get through tech. To get through tech, your car cannot be leaking fluids or be on fire. That's about the long and short of tech. It's pretty simple. There was a vast variety of things that were racing, which included a Kia Stinger, a Tesla, P100 or P90 or P85D or something. It was pretty quick. Minivans, stock Camrys, drag cars, you name it. It was a good time. So come check it out Friday. I'm going to be there about 6 o'clock, like I mentioned, maybe 6:30 by the time I realistically get there and get in. But yeah, come hang out, come have a good time, come spectate, be a part of the videos, you name it. It's going to be an absolute blast. Hope to see you guys there. Till next time, take care, drive safe, behave, as always.